The DJI Avata 3 could turn out to be one of the most anticipated FPV drones, following in the footsteps of the Avata 2. While there are no official announcements yet, we can make some reasonable expectations based on what the Avata 2 offered and what users are hoping to see improved. From flight performance and camera upgrades to better safety features and transmission quality, there's plenty of room for DJI to take things to the next level. The DJI Avata 2 was well received for its compact and durable design. Weighing around 377 grams and measuring 185 by 212 by 64 millimeters, it offered an excellent balance between portability and performance. FPV drones are known for their high-speed maneuverability, which makes durability a critical factor. Since FPV flying often involves tight spaces and potential crashes, DJI designed the Avata 2 with a rugged frame, but some users still wanted an even stronger build. With the Avata 3, we might see an even more reinforced structure. While keeping the drone lightweight is essential, DJI could introduce new materials that enhance durability without adding too much weight. Carbon fiber or improved composite materials could be a possibility. A more modular design could also be beneficial, allowing users to easily replace damaged parts without needing a full repair. Portability is another factor to consider. The Avata 2's size made it easy to carry around, and DJI is unlikely to make drastic changes in this department. However, a slightly more compact frame with foldable parts could improve transportability. The Avata 2 had impressive flight capabilities, offering a maximum ascent speed of 9 meters per second in sport mode and a top horizontal speed of 27 meters per second in manual mode. These speeds were sufficient for high-speed FPV flying, but there's always room for improvement. If DJI can push the Avata 3's top speed beyond 30 meters per second, it could provide an even more exhilarating flight experience. Battery life is another key aspect. The Avata 2 had a flight time of around 23 minutes under optimal conditions. While this was already a step up from its predecessor, many FPV pilots still find battery life to be a limiting factor. If the Avata 3 could extend this to 25 to 30 minutes, it would make a noticeable difference. This could be achieved through better battery efficiency or improved aerodynamics. Another potential area of improvement is the propulsion system. More efficient motors and propellers could contribute to both longer flight times and better overall handling. If DJI integrates a more advanced power system, it could allow for smoother and more controlled maneuvers, making it even more appealing to FPV enthusiasts. One of the biggest selling points of the Avata 2 was its camera. Equipped with a 1.3-inch sensor, it offered a 155-degree field of view and 4K recording at up to 60 FPS. While the quality was solid, some users wanted even better low light performance and higher frame rates for slow motion footage. The Avata 3 could address these concerns by upgrading to a 1-inch sensor. A larger sensor would allow for improved dynamic range, better color reproduction, and superior low light performance. For those who use FPV drones for cinematic shots, this would be a game changer. Higher frame rates would also be a welcome addition. While 4K at 60 FPS is good, having the option for 4K at 120 FPS or even 240 FPS would open up more possibilities for slow motion footage. This would be particularly useful for action shots, giving users greater creative control. Image stabilization is another area where DJI could improve. The Avata 2 already had good electronic stabilization, but the Avata 3 could take it further with improved algorithms or even a mechanical stabilization system. Smoother footage would make a big difference, especially for professional videographers. The Avata 2 came with downward and backward visual positioning sensors, which helped with stable hovering and obstacle detection. While these features were useful, many users felt that the obstacle avoidance system could be more advanced. For the Avata 3, multi-directional obstacle sensing would be a major improvement. If DJI integrates forward and side-facing sensors, the drone would be much better at avoiding collisions, especially in complex environments. This would make it easier for beginners to fly safely, while giving experienced pilots more confidence when navigating tight spaces. Real-time obstacle detection could also be improved. If DJI enhances the AI-driven warning system, the Avata 3 could provide better visual or haptic feedback to pilots, allowing them to react more quickly to potential hazards. More responsive obstacle avoidance would make flying safer and more enjoyable. One of the standout features of the Avata 2 was its O4 video transmission system. It delivered a 1080p live view at up to 100 FPS with a maximum transmission distance of 13 kilometers under FCC standards. The low latency of 24 minutes provided a smooth and responsive control experience, which was crucial for FPV flying. With the Avata 3, we could see further refinements to this system. Reducing latency even further would improve reaction times, making it easier to execute precise maneuvers. If DJI introduces an upgraded transmission protocol, it could offer better signal stability, reducing interference in challenging environments. A more robust control system would also be welcome. The Avata 2's motion controller and FPV goggles provided an immersive experience, but some users wanted more customization options. If DJI allows for greater fine-tuning of control settings, pilots would have more flexibility in adjusting the drone's behavior to their liking. User feedback has played a significant role in shaping expectations for Avata 3. Discussions on forums and social media have highlighted several common requests. Many pilots want more sensors to help prevent crashes, especially when flying in urban or forested areas. 4K at 120 FPS or higher would be a game changer for capturing smoother and more detailed slow-motion footage. A more rugged design could help withstand impacts, reducing repair costs and downtime. Extending flight time to at least 25-30 minutes would be a major improvement. Lower latency and customizable input settings would make FPV flying even more intuitive. While we don't have official confirmation on the DJI Avata 3 yet, there's no doubt that expectations are high. DJI has consistently improved its FPV drones with each new generation, and the Avata 3 has the potential to push things even further. For those who are already flying the Avata 2, it's still a solid choice. But if you're looking for the next big step in FPV drone technology, the Avata 3 might be worth the wait.